user-friendly, very reliable, and very efficient. My name is Dr. Chetan Patodia. I'm a periodontist. I started my practice from ground up as a specialist. We are growing, we are busy, getting busy, and one of the best part about our practice is the patient management software, actually. All the other softwares I used actually led me to consider Oryx. I demoed other softwares. They all had some limitation that was just not there for me compared to Oryx. There's just so much initial cost. That's huge as a startup practice because any cost we save goes directly into helping us grow in other areas. And when I reached out to Oryx and compared that to other softwares, I was given an option to not have to pay for anything until I hit a certain number of patients. And that did not limit the support I needed from Oryx, which is great because sometimes you can get free softwares, but you're limited with what you can use it for. Whereas we were not limited by anything. I was very picky about the patient management software that I needed for my practice that I'm trying to build from ground up. And I had some boxes I wanted patient management software to check. Some of those were user-friendliness, resourcefulness, maintenance-free. I was leaning towards cloud-based software and something that would also be very useful to communicate with our patients. And all those boxes were checked by Oryx. I was leaning towards signing up for using Weave, but a lot of what Weave does is already integrated in Oryx, and all I needed was Mango. One of the things that stood out for me with Oryx was all I needed was new PCs and didn't need an IT to set up anything. Every document that you need as a startup practice was in there. No other software had that. That means I would have to customize those documents and upload it myself. Now, as a startup practice, my focus should be on growing the practice, not creating documents. Where Oryx has really helped us is saving a lot of time. And that's the time that we focus more in being with our patients to address their concerns and really not worry about patient management software as a whole and just focus on patient care. And each person in our office has a streamlined process through Oryx. For our team, it was really just very easy integration. Just added front reception person and it took no time for her to get trained and start using Oryx. Not only make appointments, but also get everything, all the information from referring office and get the chart ready for me to have everything on the day of consult. Most of my team member has no issues with using Oryx. They always actually say how easy it is compared to the office they're coming from, where they had to use a software that did not do what Oryx does. One of the things I really like that I can walk into the office and know that my patient management software is always going to be there. Oryx by dentists for dentistry.